I'm Jen Frost with Faith and Fabric, and welcome to February 15th's 3 Quick Takes. Your first quick take is that we are in full swing with the Women of the Bible Quilt Along. We have so many participating countries. I think we're up to 8 now. Here's a map showing where everybody is from. So thank you so much for joining in for this. So I have here in front of me January's block. We have Eve, and February's block, which we have as Hagar or Sarah, depending on who you make. I'm actually going to be remaking this block to look like this block made by one of our participants, because I love how she did Hagar's hair on this one. You guys, I love when you take something that we've started with here as a pattern and you really transform it into your own, because honestly, I think this block is even better than mine. So March's block is all done. I am so excited to share it with you guys. So you'll be seeing that if you're part of the Quilt Along, popping into your inboxes in March. Now, I have gotten a few questions on, hey, where can we share all of our blocks? So I'm going to put a link down below to the main Quilt Along page. And now, in addition to each month of showing who the block is, you'll see there's a spot where you can link up your blocks for that month. So I think this is going to be a lot of fun. We can all share what we're making, and we can all check in on each other's blocks throughout the Quilt Along. Your second quick take is that I've got to make room in this closet for more kits. I know you guys want some more of the Lent and the Good Friday kits and some of the Rosary kits, and I can totally do that, but I've got to get rid of some of the stuff that's in here. So you will find a link down below to the pillowcases. This was something that we went through as a project a few years ago, but there are some pillowcases left. They're taking up quite a bit of space. So I'm listing them at pretty much what it costs to ship them to you, because I've really just got to get them cleared out of here. So take a look below. I'm going to put some of the prices right here so you can see. Obviously, if you buy more than one, there's going to be a discount because the shipping won't be double. But I really want to get these out of here. So help me clear some room so we can get more kits. And your third quick update is that I'm taking a day after all the rain we've had to work in the garden. You guys, my garden is growing so much. So here's the first bed. You can see we just had a storm, so I just actually pulled one broccoli plant out. But the kale's doing well. I've got some nasturtium. Here's some more broccoli. You can see we're getting all these little broccoli sprouts that are coming off because we've cut the main, actually here was the main head. It was right there, but we're just enjoying all these little broccolis that are popping up. And I've got some radishes growing over here. And then I've got 2 more beds that are growing so well. This is all my different garlics. I've got some Swiss chard, some cilantro mixed with parsley. I can't believe I'm growing celery. So that's all celery. There's some spinach mixed in. These are all my son's carrots. He's been growing. I've got some little carrots down here that are popping up. I've got to get these, actually got to get these beets out. I might make a yummy recipe with those tonight since it's St. Valentine's Day. And then in this bed, I've got some peas growing up the trellis. Finishing off some iceberg lettuces. I've got new lettuces I've planted. These are all potatoes. So I've got tons of potatoes that are going to be ready to pick in just a couple weeks. A little bit more nasturtium, which I may actually pull out since I've got so much growing on the other side. And then we've got a huge artichoke plant, which is just doing so well. And then I've got peas growing all down the side of the driveway, which I think are just going to pop up pretty soon. You can already see some little flowers on them. So excited for how the garden is turning out. So there's your 3 quick updates for this February 15th. I hope you guys had a lovely St. Valentine's Day yesterday. I hope your garden is growing well, and I look forward to hearing in the comments how your Women of the Bible quilt is going for you. Take care.